Day 8. It's been just over a week since Siu Meemee came into her new home, and today feels different. Not in a loud, dramatic way, but in those quiet, meaningful moments that only you and your kitten would notice. Siu Meemee is still inside her quarantine space. 7 more days to go before she can officially meet the other 3 kittens. Each of them also new to this home, each of them waiting for their turn to form a little family together. But for now, it's just her and me. Over the past few days, Siu Meemee has been slowly learning the sounds of the house, learning that footsteps don't mean danger, learning that this new cat dad isn't something to fear. And today, something changed for the first time. She wasn't just observing me, she was asking for me. When I approached her cage this morning, she didn't back away like she used to. Instead, she came forward, slowly, gently, but confidently. Her small body leaned toward the front of the cage, and then she started rubbing herself against the bars, not out of stress, not out of confusion, but with intention, an invitation, a tiny message that said, "Come closer." I stopped for a moment, because in moments like this, they matter. Trust doesn't come on demand, it's earned one heartbeat at a time. And today, Siu Meemee was offering hers. So I made a small decision. I reached toward the cage door. Slowly, carefully, I opened it. Just a little. Not enough to overwhelm her. Just enough to say, "I'm here too." Instead of backing away, she stepped closer, curious, watching. And then I did something simple. I held out my hand, but not fully open, just my fist, a safe shape. Less threatening, less complicated. Just something for her to understand, at her own pace. And then something amazing happened. Siu Meemee leaned forward, and gently, she rubbed her face against my fist. Not once, not by accident, but again and again, like she had always known me, like she had finally decided, this human is mine. That moment, it's hard to describe because it's quiet. It doesn't look big from the outside, but inside, it feels like everything has changed. From there, we took it one step at a time. No rush, no sudden movements, just patience and trust. I slowly adjusted my hand, and she didn't pull away, so I moved my fingers, gently. And for the first time, I scratched her chin. She froze for half a second, and then she leaned into it. Her eyes softened, her body relaxed, her tiny head tilted upward, as if she was saying, "Yes, that's it." Then her face, then her jaw, every touch, another layer of trust, every second, a little more connection, and all I could think was, "Good girl. Good girl, Siu Meemee. You are braver than you think." It's amazing how fast things can change. Just yesterday, she was cautious, careful, still figuring things out. And today, she's asking for affection. She's making the first move. She's choosing connection. This is what day 8 means. Not just another day in quarantine, not just another box checked off on a timeline, but a real emotional breakthrough. She's still got 7 days to go. 7 more days before she meets the other kittens, before the house gets louder, busier, full of tiny paws and playful chaos. But today, this moment belongs only to her. And maybe that's exactly what she needed. Time, space, patience, and someone who would wait for her to be ready. Siu Meemee, you surprise me every day, in the smallest ways, in the quietest gestures. in the moments that most people might miss, but that mean everything. Today, you asked for love, and I promise you'll always have it. Day 8. A small step for a kitten, a giant leap for a bond that's just beginning.